What's up, guys? Today we are playing Don't Press the Button 3.
And I'm playing with my brother.
And I'm playing with my sister.
Hi.
Hi.
We have Robux. I'm kidding. Not this one.
I don't know what this is.
I've played it before. Have you not heard of her?
No.
She's my favorite YouTuber.
Zombie pies. Oh,
Robux.
my elevator. My elevator. Ow, 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 ow. Don't bite me. No, I don't want to be a zombie. No, stop. Stay away from me.
Safe. Never mind, the button isn't safe.
Now it is, cause I'm on it. Ow! Boy, I'm gonna knock you out. Really? Where'd that zombie pie come from?
I'm gonna press it. Did you press it?
Ow, crap. Thomas the train came out of nowhere.
I died.
So did I. Thomas, how dare you do that to me?
Tell me my mom I loved her.
Tell me my mom loved her. What?
I know. Tell my mom I loved her.
Oh,
Oh my goodness! I did not see
it's that level from Epic Minigames. We failed the level. We're stuck in a box.
Why is it invisible?
There's somebody lagging. That's stupid.
Get out of the way. I don't know what can come through there.
It's parkour. Parkour, parkour, parkour. Parkour, hardcore. Hardcore, parkour.
I fell.
Already?
Mhm.
I died. Come on, respawn me.
I'm gonna stay by the button.
I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna press the button.
I'm gonna die. I am now the new Terminator.
I'm gonna stay by the button.
Don't stay by the button. It shall kill you.
This is a subject that brings conflict. Please do I'm agnostic. Agnostic. Lazy man's atheist.
No!
I
Dang
pressed it. I
it.
pressed it.
It was Thomas the train.
I hate you. Sam was the train.
Thomas, how dare you kill my
You
sister?
are not kid friendly anymore. You killed me.
You are covered in blood. Blood.
Blood.
Give me these. Give me one.
I want this one.
I call this one. Ooh.
Woohoo! Woo!
Awesome. Nope.
That was so much fun.
We both did the exact same mistake.
Where's my car? Where's my car? Can I spawn back?
It's the level's over. It was fun
Whoa!
while it lasted.
I got killed by a meteor.
It's falling meteor day. It's meteor day.
I hate this time of the day.
Right Christian woman like me can
Can you keep on dying?
Coffin dance.
Coffin dance? Wanna
I'm in the coffin.
join? No, I am. 3 people who died. They better not throw us off the cliff. If you guys throw us off the cliff.
Aw, I wanted to be thrown off the cliff.
Hi, what are you playing? Oh, you're playing Minecraft? That's so
I'm
cool.
at XD9. No, that's Roblox. That's Roblox.
Oh, what?
He rage quit.
I lost my legs. I lost my legs.
He
I can still
was
walk.
playing Tower of Hell and he rage quit.
Oh my gosh, I got this one. Help me. Go.
Help me!
This
Pain's
one's
got caught on an.
Go.
My pain's got
Funny
caught on
played
a
this
hanger.
one. Funny saw this one. Go, Funny. Go. Funny saw
MJ,
this
stop
one.
mentioning people. Ooh, boom! That's what I call fun. Come on. Okay, I pressed it.
What is it?
Nope. Oh my
I
goodness,
lost
not
my
again.
legs. I had
You
fun
always
floating.
die from that one.
I had fun floating. No.
I
Ah!
am your Terminator. so did I. Holy crap, that
And
was
so did he.
difficult.
I know.
Stop hogging the button.
Go, you press it this time. I'm not gonna get exploded. How about the car one?
It is Ace. Whatever you do,
What is this?
don't tell Shirley about the fight. She's
What do I
talking
do?
about her mothery, guilt-inducing powers. You know what I mean? No, where's Jesus bridge?
Go, why are you over there?
I don't know.
I know guys like this, Mike.
I feel safe right here.
Now he's a meat.
Feel safe over here. Oh, we both survived. Me! Go, I wanna press it! I wanna press it! I wanna press it!
Oh, shoot.
I'm stuck.
Boy, we glitched.
Big glitch.
I guess I'm too charming and likable.
That's a good glitch.
Oh, what's going on? I can't see a thing.
Neither can I. All I know is that it's spinning.
Let go.
Oh, I'm finally out. I'm not. Oh, crap.
I'm almost out.
Help me.
I'm out.
Oopsie. Ow.
Oh, this one.
You can stand on it.
Wait, you can?
Yes.
Why didn't I do
I'm
that?
safe. Boys, I'm safe.
Teach Jeffrey how to fight. Troy, I assume you're Andy with a switchblade. Ava, you get
Ow.
back to the family tent. Try to find a chicken for Jeff to chase. Guys, I appreciate the enthusiasm. But
Come on. Stop firing.
we got 4 head, all
My dream house.
the other head.
So cool.
You
Let's go
need
inside of it.
found money.
Give me a snowman, Thor.
Okay, so we need to find money.
See this funny guy?
Was there any in there? Cool. If you find some for, can you? If
Wait, can you
find
open
some,
up the
can you help me?
drawers?
5 lessons and a half an hour.
I don't know.
You can't.
That's dumb.
Okay. What's in here? Nothing.
Cool. Can you help me find some money too?
I don't know where the money is, though.
In here? This is the diamond.
I'm getting out. It's gonna it's gonna. I knew it was gonna disappear.
I didn't even find one piece of money. Wait, cool. What if there's nothing in there and they're tricking you so they can kill you?
Oh, somebody pressed the button and Thomas the Train decided to fly in and smash him.
I'm gonna stay away from the button now.
Nah, I don't want to press it. Give me the. Survived.
Yeah.
Oh shoot!
That's why I want to
These two got knocked out.
That's why I want to stay away from the button because
Those two got knocked out cold.
What is this?
It's a tornado.
It's a question. Stop. Stop. Not a real question, a rhetorical one. You have the answer. He does not.
I didn't even get to get inside shelter.
Well, that's pretty good.
Did it kill you?
Yeah.
Didn't kill me yet.
I didn't see.
Wait,
there
there's
was-
2 tornadoes.
Yeah, I didn't know that. And then one killed me from behind.
The other one's not even on the world anymore.
Yeah.
Hey, I survived! Andrew, press the button! Oh, crap. Car!
Car. I have the lucky finger.
It helps think of me as somebody who annoys you. That's it.
Oh my god!
That's good.
Somebody just killed me! No! Somebody jumped onto my car. That's not cool.
That is not cool.
I don't like him anymore.
Who did it?
This guy. Adam did it.
I don't see Adam.
Did you die?
Yes.
From the never-ending explosions from the noob?
No.
He was inside of a jail cell.
He meant we were fighting.
Colt, so who?
Oh, shoot!
Who is Adam? I didn't see him.
He's the guy with gray skin.
Gray skin.
Nobody else has gray skin, so. And he has a blue shirt, so.
He's dumb.
Yeah.
Will you be there? Or will I have another family? Letting me down.
Can I look? Can I lick
Can I see my family?
my pants?
Colt. I'm in the middle now. You can't kill me. Haha.
And when we have a serious discussion,
Wait, so if you touch them, they kill you?
I think.
So,
Touch one then.
why do you hate
No.
Jesus?
Oh, Adam already did it, so.
Please don't do
Oh no.
Stay on the button.
We're gonna be crushed. Oh god. It glitched me out of the world. That's not cool.
What?
Bad wall. Bad wall. Bad wall.
Stand in line for it. And look, Shirley, the diet is crazy bully guy. He picked on Ade. He corrected my Spanish. So you go to your party, and I'll see you soon.
Okay. Sorry guys, but that's it for today's video. If you want to see more videos, then there will be more videos in the future, but we have to go. See y'all later.